Welcome to the Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.
Hi, this is Ajit Gupta from Miracles Innovation Labs. I will be talking about Airbuddy, an airline bot which helps users to get their flight details with an ease. Let's move deeply into this. I will be talking about Amazon Alexa's introduction, capabilities of Airbuddy, benefits of Alexa, and sample dialog flow, and I will be showing a live demo of airline bot, the technologies which were used here, and finally overall architectural flow. Alexa is a virtual assistant developed by Amazon and Amazon Echo Dot smart speakers developed by Amazon Labs. It is capable of voice interaction, music playback, setting alarms, providing weather, and can also provide real-time information like news. Alexa has infinite abilities. We call these as skills. Developers have already created thousands of Alexa skills, and it is growing day by day. Alexa services make it easy for brand, marketers, developers to create experience for Alexa-enabled devices with the Alexa Skill Kit and bring voice to their own devices with Alexa Voice services. Basically, to know everything about our flight, we need to log into PNR status of the airline, and then we will get the details of the flight. So here Airbuddy has the capability to perform the operations which are received by the user through voice. User can just give voice command like Alexa, ask Airbuddy to check the flight status, and user will be able to get the details of their particular flight. It has the capability to book the flight, give the information about the amenities which are provided in the specific flight. Airbuddy makes the task for the user as simple as possible, as there is no handwork to do. Just voice command is enough to get the details. Using Alexa, we can make our life easier. Anyone can interact with Alexa using voice, and this helps user to manage time and make the work to be done fast. We can set up Echo with our home appliances and just give voice command like Alexa, turn on television, and television will be turned on. This makes the user's life simpler by using Alexa. It is user-friendly, where anyone can use Alexa and can carry anywhere they want, as it is smaller in size. So here is a sample dialog flow. Here Alexa is a wake-up word and Airbuddy is invocation name. So user will just say like Alexa, ask Airbuddy. Alexa will give a response like how can I help you? So he may just want to know about the status of the flight, and he will ask like what is the status of my flight? And the response from Alexa will be like flight departs at so and so time from Detroit Metro Airport and boarding time starts at so and so time. So before entering the flight, user should check in the flight, right? So here user will just say like check in into the flight to Boston, and Alexa will ask whether he have any bags or not. If he have any bags, he will just say like yes, two. And user will be checked in and seat information will be mailed to him in seconds. So let's have a look on how we can use Airbuddy. Alexa, ask Airbuddy.
Please link your account in your Alexa app before using the skill.
As skill is disabled, user needs to first enable the skill and link their account. So he needs to log in into Amazon Alexa app, and he needs to go to the skill, and you can see here your skills. So you can see our airline bot here. So we need to just click on enable the skill. So now it asks for account linking. So this is for authentication, and user will give his credentials here. Like I am giving my credentials here for linking our account. So you can see like airline bot has been successfully linked. So now our account is linked. Now, as the account is linked and skill is enabled, let's again ask Alexa. Let's see about the booking process, like how Alexa helps the user to book their flight. Alexa, ask Airbuddy.
How can I help you?
Book me a flight from Detroit to Boston.
When do you want me to book the flight?
Show me the flights on 18th April 2018.
Here are the available flights on April 18, 2018. Flight number 6567, American Airline, departs at 4 p.m. EST from Detroit and arrives at 6 p.m. EST to Boston, with the overall duration of 2 hours and price is $2,500.
Book me a flight 6567.
Your flight is booked. Your flight details: flight number is 6567, American Airlines. Departure time is 4 p.m. EST from Detroit, and arrival time is 6 p.m. EST to Boston, with the overall duration of 2 hours, and price is $2,500.
You can see the flight details in the form of text in the Alexa app. So when user says like show me the flight on 18th April, the details are shown in the Alexa app. You can see here like flight details, like flight name, to and fro, departure and arrival time, duration and price. So hence the user will be able to view and get to understand visually. So now if user wants to check the status of the flight, he may just ask Alexa to give the status of the flight. So let's try this one. Alexa, ask Airbuddy,
how can I help you?
What is status of my flight?
Your flight departs at 4 p.m. EST from Detroit Metro Airport on 18th of April 2018, and boarding starts at 3 p.m. EST.
So user may also ask by giving the flight code. So let's try this. Alexa, ask Airbuddy,
how can I help you?
what is status of flight 6567?
Your flight 6567 departs at 4 p.m. EST from Detroit Metro Airport on 18th of April 2018, and boarding starts at 3 p.m. EST.
So many of the users may also prefer to give the place name. So there may be a chance by asking status by using place name. So let's try in this way. Alexa, ask Airbuddy,
how can I help you?
what is status of flight to Boston?
Your flight departs at 4 p.m. EST from Detroit Metro Airport on 18th of April 2018, and boarding starts at 3 p.m. EST.
Also have the skill to get the amenities present in the flight. So let's ask for the specific amenity. Alexa, ask Airbuddy,
how can I help you?
is Wi-Fi available on my flight?
Yes, Wi-Fi is available in your flight 6567.
So now let's ask about the overall amenities present in my flight. Alexa, ask Airbuddy,
how can I help you?
what are the amenities provided in my flight to Boston?
The airline offers a sleep-tight amenity kit that includes socks, a toothbrush, and earplugs, as well as an eye mask that passengers can wear to notify flight attendants not to disturb them or wake them for meals.
So now user needs to do a check-in into their flight, right? So he can just use Alexa to do that. So let's see this one. Alexa, ask Airbuddy,
how can I help you?
check me into flight to Boston.
Sure. Do you have any check-in bags?
Yes, 2.
Great. I have checked you in. You can drop your bags at the check-in counter in the airport. Your seat information has been emailed to you.
So what if the user asks for the international flight? Alexa, ask Airbuddy,
how can I help you?
check me into flight to Mexico.
Flight to Mexico cannot be checked in, as it is an international flight. You need to do it on the counter.
Here, Alexa provides capabilities or skills that enable customers to create a more personalized experience. Alexa Skill Kit is a software development kit that enables a developer to build skills. We use this to train our bot so that it will be able to understand and think like humans. It is comprised of tools, application program interfaces, code samples, and documentation that enables a developer to add skills to the 10,000 plus voice recognition capabilities available on Alexa. AWS Lambda lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. Here you pay only for the compute time you consume. There is no charge where your code is not running. With Lambda, you can run code for virtually any type of applications or backend services. You need to just upload your code and Lambda takes care of everything required to run and scale your code with high availability. User just speaks out and gives a command to echo dot. Here Alexa identifies skills and recognizes intents through NLP. The JSON request is sent to the skill where Node.js will be triggered, which is uploaded in AWS Lambda. Lambda takes care of everything which is required to run and scale our code with high availability. We use Airline's API through which Alexa will be able to recognize all the functionalities like ticket booking, getting status of the flight, and so on. A user gives request and gets the response from the API, which then sends back to NLP, and hence the audio response is generated from the echo dot. If there are any text or graphics present in the response, for example, if the user wants to see all the available flights for a particular date, it will be shown in the Amazon Alexa app, where the user will be able to view and get to understand visually. Thank you.
Thank you for watching The Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs. For more on innovation, please visit miraclesoft.com/thelabs.